My name is Julian Zhu from New Zealand, and I'm the director of Film Dance New Zealand, and this is my teacher assistant.
I'm Florence, hello. I'm from Argentina.
And I'm from New Zealand. Welcome to our online Dallas Bachata Festival. We're very excited to teach you our part-work combination. So we're going to do it first on one and then second on two. But first, welcome to New Zealand. Welcome. We love you and look forward to seeing you soon. Go! So let's work on the top half of our body. So the most important thing is we're not going to look at the feet at all. We're just going to work the arms. Get familiar with the arms and then we'll work the feet. Trust me, it will work. And the end, we'll work on the arms. Here we go. So here we go. We're going to go for the top half of the body. As you can see, first of all, we're going to do cross body. She's going to go towards my left side. As she goes to my left side, the momentum of her going to my left, I push. I pull, push, and then I'm going to stick out my right hand. Now, very importantly, guys, watch this. If she is this tall, you aim it here, right? But if she's very tall, you don't do this. You want to aim for above her head. So I see a lot of guys do this and dance. How do you spin? Exactly. Remember, left hand above her head like a halo. So that's one. So from here, we're going to rotate, right? We're going to spin. We're just going to mark the top. Take it easy. From here, we're going to put her left hand, this is my right hand, on her right shoulder. We're going to unwind. You see, the right arm is below the left. We're going to unwind her body, bring her around, and you're going to put her in the basket. You are going to go around her as well. Thank you, cameraman. From here, we're going to put her in a hammerlock-ish. From here, we keep walking back. Now, unwind. And you're going to be in front of her, back facing her. You'll be here. Now, I don't want to see this, like we do this. Now, we're crossing it, and then we're putting it behind your neck. Now, use your left arm to unwind her right arm going through. Now, use your right arm to unwind your left arm. You will do scissors, across, slow motion, around her, let go of your left hand. You will bring this around the back of her neck. Now, importantly guys, we want to keep this hand behind. The reason is, if you put the hand in front, she thinks she wants to give you her hand, right? But no, right now I'm putting the hand behind me, so she knows she's going to be a lady salad. A pretty lady salad? Yes, that is a nice hip brush. Now bring it back. We're going to go around us. We're going to go forward. Now she's going to hug herself. We're back. And with my left hand, I'm going to go, and she becomes a flower and opens up. Now, let's do the feet. Since we've learned the top half of our body, including the arms, now we're going to focus on our feet. What we're going to do is stomp out the timing so we can move our bodies and feet. So follow me. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. This time we'll stomp on 2. On 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7.
Here, ladies, when we go back in 1, we open our arms, yes? But we open from the chest. 1, 2, 3. He will offer the hand, we will give her the hand. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
From here we can go to 1. Bring forward my left leg straight, right leg straight. For the time we will go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Here, followers, very important. When he's doing his thing, it's very important that we keep doing the basic. We keep dancing because we need to be reactive. Because we don't know from here he can do whatever. So we need to keep dancing to be reactive for what is he going to do. Because he does this at social. It can be anything. So Julian, do your thing.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
One here, he will put our hand here, and we're just simply gonna comb our hair. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2.
Alright guys, thank you for your time, and we'll dance on 1 first.